YouTube, welcome back. This is Steve, Ghost Mods, part 2 to the GSX trans and the GST. Sorry, last video just shut off while, I was trying to say bye to you guys. GoPro's still getting hot. I'm about to call GoPro and find out what's going on. This is a brand new GoPro 9 and it's giving me some issues. I'm trying to record and give you guys my story, and this shit is pissing me off right now. So, take care. I love you guys. Like, subscribe, message me on the bottom. Any questions on your DSM or cars, period. We'll chit chat. You know what I'm saying? Keep your cars up. Keep DSM alive. Next video, we're gonna go about let's do my build. We're gonna talk about what's underneath the hood exactly. From the block to the head, intake, injectors. We're gonna do everything. I'm gonna sit down with you guys. First, I'm gonna contact GoPro and find out what's going on, because that video is gonna be a long video, because man, there's a laundry list on this car. So let me get on the phone with them and find out what's going on, and I'll get back here and we'll vibe in the garage together, man. So you guys be easy, take care, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon, man. One.